No, it's recording. Oh, rubber. Okay, Kaylin, I got it now. It's going. Oh, film it. Yep.
This time, when I do it, you do it. When I go like put my feet together.
Oh, okay.
But not for too long.
Okay.
Because my feet can't stay there for that long, okay?
Whoa, careful, watch where you're jumping.
I'll do it again.
Okay, I'm filming it. I'm not taking a picture, I'm filming it this time. Whoa, watch your head. Spider-Man stuff.
Mom, now. It's gonna be great.
Watch out for Mason.
This is gonna be when I jump.
Okay, Mason, careful.
Mom.
The mess.
Okay.
Oh, no, we're not making any more messes. No, we're not playing that. We're not making any more messes. Hey, look at Mommy. Stop picking at your teeth.
Mom, no. Mom.
We're not doing that, Mason. We're gonna go to bed in a minute here. Okay, Kaylin, ready?
Okay.
Whoa. That was a flying Spider-Man.
Okay.
Okay, last one, and I'm turning it off.
This is gonna be Superman, okay?
Okay, oh, Superman. You'll be wearing a Spider-Man outfit, though.
But it's a Spider-Man Superman.
Oh, Spider-Man, Superman? Okay.
Watch. This how.
It's a little bit confusing, though.
What?
I don't know.
In the way!
Whoa, watch out for the toys. Wow.
Okay, I think. I know.
Okay. Whoa, careful.
That was it!
That was it? I got it. Didn't that hurt?
No, but that's supposed
Oh, careful, Mace.
Can I see
Oh,
now?
Mason's got
My
a flashlight.
picture?
We'll look at it after. Just finishing up the... Oh, Mason's trying to do it now. Don't hurt yourself, Mace. Oh boy. You're not Spider-Man, Mason. You're just a little soldier. Your soldier PJs. Oh no, closing the door. Watch your fingers. Whoa. What? Okay, guys.